Hi guys, my name is Joseph from Neo Builders, and today we're gonna have a quick walkthrough on an ADU garage conversion. This house is in the beautiful Valley Village in North Hollywood in Los Angeles. It was an attached garage to a main single family home, and I wanted to kind of walk you through. Come, let's check it out. So the first thing that you're gonna see, the garage was here, and the garage door was here, and now we have a 4x4 window. This is an egress window, and I'll show you kind of from the inside. We did do an electrical car charger outside. It's not currently being used, but there is the voltage for it. Obviously exterior plugs and exterior outlets. One of the things that you'll see here is you'll actually see a water heater, tankless water heater, always tankless water heater. We put a spout for the water. And there's also an AC unit back there that I'll show you in a little bit. But as we walk through here, another outlet, exterior outlet, and exterior lights here. Now this is kind of the corridor. It might seem like a little bit tight here, but we definitely have 5 feet from the property line. We have our client put in some nice landscaping here as well, so this will grow in time. But I want to walk you through the door. So we have our side door here. A lot of the ADUs that we see that are attached are usually in the front, but here we had a side door because we did have the setbacks for it. So let's walk through here. So front door, aluminum door, fire rated door. We have here our TV and our lights, tons of lights because our client loves electricity, and we have lights on every single area of the main house. I try to do around 3 in this area. First thing you'll see is our beautiful kitchen, smaller kitchen than normal, fridge that's only 30 inches, supposed to be bigger. As you see, we built it here. Tons of storage space here, tons of storage space here. We actually we wanted to do a Lazy Susan, but we didn't have enough space for the Lazy Susan. So we actually just opened it up here, and then you can grab any of your big pots from inside, giving the Lazy Susan effect, but actually giving more storage available. Sink a little bit smaller, 24 inches, and then we have a window that's 3 feet. Let's go into the bathroom. So our bathroom is a little bit bigger than usual. We actually decided not to put a bench in here. We just wanted a ton of space. Subway tiles, hexagons on the floor. We have a little niche right here, frameless shower glass. No bench, our client didn't want a bench. Our toilet actually has tons of space, and our vanity is 36 inches. Now the reason why we went much bigger on this bathroom is because we wanted it to be on the same line as the bedroom. So this is almost 9.5 feet wide, and 5 feet wide and 9.5 feet in length. And again, we did this because our client really wanted a fancy bathroom and also wanted it on the same line as the bedroom. If we walk down here, again, I'll go over our kitchen, a beautiful countertop. We have our same countertop here as our ledge for our windows, so we can put some nice things here. Backsplash, beautiful backsplash, microwave hood, oven 24 inches, black finishes here. I think the kitchen came out really cute, really small. I believe it's something like, right around 13 or 14 linear feet. Over here we have our washer dryer. So we have our 2-unit washer dryer up here, and then a little bit of storage up here over our washer dryer, maybe for the linens. So a couple things that you want to see in the bedroom is, of course, our AC unit, Douglas mini split. We also have an AC unit on the other side of the bedroom. We did 6 lights here, 2-inch cans. There's also a fan over here. And then again, our egress window, 4x4 window facing the front of the street, facing our south side. And it's also very important that our bigger windows are on our south side. So I would either do your entrance or big windows in the south side. Yeah, I think this kitchen and living room came out a little bit small, but very, very beautiful. Remember, this unit is only 360 square feet. Let's go check out the bedroom. So our bedroom. So a couple things that you want to see in our bedroom. Obviously, we have a door here. We have our access panel right here, all of our shutoffs. We also created, this is locked right now, but we created an area where all the Wi-Fi can stick out and all of the low voltage can be here. We did a storage space here. I know everyone loves our storage space. Remember, these are 4x4s here and here. So we put almost 2,000 pounds up there. And just a closet, you know, nothing special about this closet. One pole from HD Supply and a little bit of storage spaces. This is a queen size bed, so you can kind of tell the dimensions of the room. Perfect kind of for two people to live in. If we walk in here, we have our AC unit up there, and we have our TV right here. And then right behind you, I'll walk right here. Right behind you, we have another egress window, 4x4 window, and you know, faces out into the west, and you'll be able to see kind of the outside area, and also for egress. So the last thing that I'll just point out really quick is this wall. This wall is attached to our main house. So the other side of here is our kitchen, and people always stress out about the noise, like someone's gonna live attached to my garage right next to my kitchen. And the answer is that to code, this is a fire rated wall. There's an RC channel. We did double insulation and double drywall, so really no one can hear anything. And I believe our homeowners are in the main house now, and you can't hear them at all, which is really nice. And yeah, that's about it. Let me walk you guys through here and give you some stats.
Rolling action.
Hey guys, thanks for joining us on our ADU walkthrough. I want to give a couple of quick stats before I leave. The first thing is total size of this ADU is 360 square feet. The garage was in the front of the house, and now it's an ADU in the front of the house. Same square footage, no addition. Now, we got a second address, second water heater, separate AC, separate water, separate everything. I want to talk a little bit about the sizes. The bedroom is about 120 square feet, including the closet. The bathroom is about 50 square feet, and the kitchen is about 13 linear feet. So everything came out really nice, really small, but I think it came out really, really nice. The rents. So basically someone was renting this in March of 2020, and he just left, and they were renting it for about $1,800 a month, not including gas, water, and utilities. And now the tenant just left, and our homeowner is renting it out for $2,200. The new tenant is going to come in soon. The furniture is still here, so they're going to keep the furniture. Project cost is in 2020. This project cost $85,000 all in. And today in this market, I would build this unit for about $110,000, give or take. I think this unit came out really, really special. I think the homeowner is more than happy. He'll be paying off his $85,000 bill for about 3 years, and he already refinanced. His house is already up in value. Listen, every single project is going to have their own stats. I love talking about stats. I love showing you guys units. So like and subscribe here if you want to know more about ADUs. But really, we're going to try to do more units, more showings. We're going to build more units this year. And we're really, really excited for you to join us.